Listen to me carefully. If you're watching this, it's because deep down you know you're wasting your life. You feel it, don't you? That burning frustration inside your chest. That voice in your head screaming that you're meant for more, but you're not doing a damn thing about it.
Well, life took me somewhere unexpected. I'm unprepared. It's about 6 degrees out here, and I'm underdressed. But guess what? No one gives a fuck. You gotta get the motherfucker in.
Every second you're sitting there, scrolling, waiting, another man is out there building the life you were supposed to have. This is your last chance. Wake up now or spend the rest of your life watching stronger men take everything that could have been yours.
Sometimes life can really hijack your fucking mind. When that happens to you, you're all fucked up. Your goals, your ambitions, everything is out the window.
Listen up, this world doesn't care about you. No one's coming to save you. No one's handing you a golden ticket to success. You are either a champion or a loser, and the only difference between the two is the choices they make every single day. You sit there scrolling, waiting for something to change, waiting for motivation to magically hit you. Wake up. Motivation is a lie. It's a fleeting, useless emotion that weak men chase like a drug. You think champions feel motivated every single day? No. They wake up, they grind, they suffer, and they win anyway.
In life, we all go through different things. Sometimes your girlfriend or boyfriend breaks up with you. Guess what? Get the fuck over it. They no longer want you. Maybe you failed a test in school. You worked your ass off. Guess what? You failed the fucking test. Get over it. Move past it. Learn to not let life hijack your brain. At work, you've been working your ass off for that new promotion. You don't fucking get it. Someone else does. Maybe they kiss better ass than you do. Guess what? Get over it. Life will hijack your mind if you let it. Don't allow all these things to make you a lesser person. You must own your mind. Don't let life own yours.
Every successful man you admire went through hell. You think they just got lucky? No. They got up when they were tired, they worked when they didn't feel like it, and they never let their emotions control them. Discipline beats motivation every single time. You want to be your own hero? Then stop acting like a victim. You're not broke because of the economy, you're broke because you're lazy. You're not out of shape because of genetics. You're out of shape because you stuffed your face with garbage and skipped the gym. You're not stuck in a miserable life because of bad luck. You refuse to take control.
Stop the pattern. We've all done it. Catch yourself. Because if you want joy, happiness, and freedom in an extraordinary life, it will not come from blame. Never. There's no pride that comes from blame. I don't mean fake pride where you make shit up to feel good. I'm talking about real pride. Pride is something you earn. Like people tell me, oh, I have no self-esteem because my parents used to say this or they'd say that. I'd say that's such bullshit. I'm not saying it's bullshit they didn't say that. I said it's bullshit, that's why you don't have self-esteem. Self-esteem does not come from what people say about you. Self-esteem comes from what you experience about yourself.
A lot of us dream big. You should dream big. Dreaming big is important. You know, some of us will be doctors, lawyers, dentists. Some of us want to be in special operations. So you have this big dream, you can see it so clearly, like it's right in front of you. You can go out and touch it. But the thing about it is somewhere, if you dream big enough, somewhere down that journey, that dream becomes a motherfucking nightmare.
A hero doesn't sit around waiting for a miracle. A hero creates his own path. He looks at his situation, no matter how bad, and says, this is on me, and I will fix it. Now let me tell you the cold truth most people are too soft to handle. There are two versions of you. One is the loser sitting on the couch, making excuses, playing video games, avoiding responsibility. The other is a machine, a warrior, a man who gets up every day and dominates life. Your worst enemy is not society, it's not the government, it's not your parents. Your worst enemy is the weak version of you, and every single day, he's beating you. While you're hesitating, he's working.
And what happens in that nightmare, you start to have all these questions like, if you want to be in special ops, you may not be a great swimmer. You may just realize that I'm not a great swimmer, I'm not a great runner. You may start to fail tests, and all these questions start to flood your mind. Why am I here? I'm not good enough. Trust me, I know all about the questions. They will flood your mind. If you do not have the answers for them, you will quit. The answers lie in the repetitions. You must not forget the repetitions you put into trying to dominate the craft that you're in today. Always, always. Embrace the suck, adapt to the suck.
While you're making excuses, he's pushing through. While you're afraid of failing, he's out there winning. Ask yourself, if you met the strongest, most disciplined, most successful version of yourself today, would he respect you? Or would he look at you in disgust? The truth is brutal, and most people can't handle it. They want to be coddled. They want to be told, it's okay. Life is hard. You're doing your best. That's why they fail. That's why they never achieve anything great. Comfort is the enemy of success, and most of you are addicted to it. You say you want success, you say you want to be rich, then act like it. Winners do what they must, not what they feel like. They don't skip workouts because they're tired. They don't slack off because they're not in the mood. They don't wait for opportunities, they create them.
Stop being a lazy, bum-ass person that's full of excuses, sitting around on the pity potty, coming up with every excuse in the world as to why you ain't winning. You are the reason you're not winning. You keep messing with negative, evil, and dysfunctional people and expecting positive results. It's time you get off the pity potty, stop complaining about being out of shape when you never go to the gym. Stop looking at your stomach when you get out of the shower and your body and complaining about the way you look when you're eating everything in sight and never going to the gym. You are the reason you look the way you look. You are the reason you're unemployed. You are the reason why your surroundings are so dysfunctional and negative. You could still be in the hood, broke and fucked up and living a peaceful life. It's a choice.